Hello children, today we will solve exercise 11.1. Our first question is, a square and a rectangular field with measurements as given in the figure have the same perimeter. Which field has a larger area? In this question they have given us that figure have the same perimeter, both figures have the same perimeter, and we have to find out the which diagram has a larger area. So side of a square is 60 meter. Side of square is 60 meter, and then length of a rectangle is, it is given length of rectangle equal to 80 meter. Both are given to us. Now perimeter of rectangular field equal to perimeter of rectangular field equal to perimeter of square field. This condition is given to us. So the formula of perimeter of a rectangle is 2l plus b, and perimeter of a square is 4 into side. So we don't know the breadth, so 280 plus b equal to 4 into 60. Therefore 240, 160, 2 8 is 16, 0 plus b equal to 250. 2 into 80 is 116, 2 into b is 2b. 2b equal to 240 minus 160 equal to 240 minus 160 is 80. Now 2b equal to 80, b equal to 80 divided by 2 equal to 40 meter. This is the breadth of a rectangle. Now we have to find out the square area of square field as well as area of rectangular field. So area of rectangular field equal to length into breadth. So length is 80 and breadth is 40. 8 4s are 32 and 00 meter square. Now area of square field, that is side square. Side is 60. So 60 square is 3600 meter square. So we can differ it, means 3600 is greater than 3200. So therefore area of square field is larger than rectangular field. This is the solution of our first question. Now second question. Let us do a second question. Mrs. Kaushik has a square plot with the measurement as shown in the figure. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. A garden is developed around the house. Find the total cost of developing garden around the house at the rate of rupees 55 per meter square. Now in this question we have to calculate first of all area of a plot, and then area of house, and then we have to subtract the area of plot minus area of house, and then we will get the area of garden, and then using that we can solve the question. So first of all, side of a plot. Second question, side of plot equal to 25, this figure 25 meter, and area of plot equal to, because it is a square, 25 and 25, so area of plot equal to side square, that is 25 square equal to 625 meter square. Now length of a house. What is the length of house? It is given to us, that is 20 meter, and breadth is 15 meter. Length of a house is 20 meter, breadth of house is 15 meter, so area of house is L into B equal to 20 into 15 equal to 300 meter square. Now we have to area of garden equal to, now we have to calculate the area of garden. Area of garden equal to area of plot minus area of house. Area of plot is 625 meter square minus area of house is 300, so 325 meter square. Now cost of, what is the cost of developing garden is rate of at the rate is rupees 55 meter square, so cost of developing the garden is rupees 55 per meter square, and we have to calculate the total cost of developing garden. So total cost of developing garden is area of plot into cost of developing garden. So 325 into 55, that is 17,875. So total cost, therefore total cost of developing garden is rupees 17,875. So question number 3, 4, 5 for homework. If you have any kind of problem, please contact me. Thank you.